Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Rahul Gandhi flooded with complaints from party men and office bearers. Sources say few demand change in leadership. Many seek Rahul's intervention to resolve mining crisis. It's a hat-trick for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. In Gujarat polls, BJP bags 115 seats. Congress flagged high in Himachal Pradesh, got clear majority of 36. Playboy set to launch its first beach cafe by January-March in Goa. Adult entertainment company Playboy unveils the Indian Playboy bunny. Major fire at garbage treatment plant at Murgaon Sada. Fire continues. Fire officials suspect of foul play. Residents claim threat to human life. And Sangram Chogle wants government to support bodybuilders. Champion bodybuilder sets target of competing with world's best. Shares his bond with Goa. Now the news in detail. Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi was flooded with complaints and grievances from Pradesh congressmen on Thursday. MLAs and state leaders raised issues and complaints against colleagues for anti-party activities during past state assembly poll. Rahul landed at W on Thursday morning and had a warm welcome from youth leaders. He held series of meetings with the partymen and other frontal organizations at the International Center in Donapal. Sources say some have demanded change in state leadership, whereas many have demanded his intervention to resolve mining crisis.
AICC General Secretary Rahul Gandhi landed in state on Thursday morning. Sources say his visit to Goa was to know the grievances and problems of party men at the grassroots level. He was welcomed at Kortali by party's youth brigade. Rahul was accompanied by Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar, Secretary Sudhakar Reddy, Opposition Leader Pratap Singh Rane, former CM Digambar Kamath and other state leaders.
What is the reality? What issues plague Goa? Why we lost the last election? What is it that needs to be done to rectify the situation? So all these things were discussed.
Is there any complaint against anyone?
I would not like to comment anything on that. But all I would say is he knows what is the reality, what actually went wrong, why it went wrong, what are the reasons. Mining is one of the important issues and we have to look forward what went wrong. But while looking at what went wrong, we also have to see in a balanced manner about the livelihood of people, mining affected areas where it was their livelihood. So what is to be done, how it is to be done, obviously it was discussed.
आम्ही जायते इश्यूचेर डिस्कशन केला आम्ही मायनिंगाचेर इश्यूचेर डिस्कशन केला त्या आयज लोकांक खरेंच त्रास जावपा लागल्या आनी वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम टू कम बॅक व्हेरी सून आम्ही कोणाचीच कंप्लेन करू ना
मिटींग मार्गदर्शन एक बरें केल्लें आहा की पार्टी कशी मजबूत करपाची ह्याय गव्हर्नमेंटान कांय करूं ना तेज्या खातीर आवाज उठोवपाची गरज आहा आमी ऑपोजिशन.
Sources from Congress party claim that some party men have demanded change in leadership and have also sought Rahul's intervention in state mining crisis. A senior reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar, Surendra Madkaikar and video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
It's a hat-trick for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi in Gujarat state polls. BJP bagged 116 seats out of state's 182. The Congress has won 62 seats. However, in Himachal Pradesh, BJP lost its seat in power as Congress gained absolute majority with 36 seats. All eyes are now set on Narendra Modi's next political move after a hat-trick.
As expected, it was a hat-trick for Narendra Modi in Gujarat polls. Last time in 2007 polls, BJP had won with 117 seats. This time, just 2 seats less. But again, clear majority and far ahead of rival Congress, who touched 63-seat mark while raising its tally by 6 seats.
गुजरात के मतदाता क्षेत्रवाद से ऊपर उठ चुके हैं, जातिवाद के जहर से ऊपर उठ करके आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए सोचना, ये हमारे मतदाताओं ने सिद्ध कर दिया है। वे नरेंद्र मोदी की जितनी चर्चा करनी है करें, लेकिन अगर आज चर्चा करनी है और आज का कोई हीरो है तो मेरे 6 करोड़ गुजराती हैं।
हमारी उम्मीदें नहीं पूरी हुई और निश्चित रूप से हमें और मंथन करना पड़ेगा।
गुजरात ने विकास की राजनीति को प्राधान्य दिया और देश में एक रोल मॉडल के रूप में सरकार ने अपनी साख को मजबूत किया है और गुजरात की जनता ने फिर से एक बार गुजरात के विकास के लिए नरेंद्र भाई के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चुनकर दिया है।
However, result went other way for BJP in Himachal Pradesh. Out of 68 seats in Assembly, Congress won 62 and BJP was left with tally down to just 26. It could not reach the magic figure of 35 as compared to 2007 poll results. Congress improved its tally. Now all eyes are set on the next political move in Narendra Modi's political journey. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.